Introduce myself. My name is Suryana Aulia Maryani. I'm from Management Class 22 NPM 184111012. I will present here about industrial psychology in material organizational culture and development. Industrial and organizational psychology, organizational culture and development. Organization. What is organization? A place, container for people to gather, work together rationally and systematically, planned, guided and controlled in utilizing data sources effectively and efficiently to achieve organizational goals. Organizational design. What is organizational design? A particular organizational structure as a result of various decisions and actions of managers. Ivancevith et al. The entire series of structural elements and relationships between elements used to manage the organization in total. Griffin. The process of selecting and managing structural and cultural aspects carried out by managers so that the organization is able to control what activities need to be carried out for common goals. Organizational design process. Division of work. Written information that describes the duties and responsibilities, working conditions, employment relationships, and aspect of work in a particular position in the organization. Departmentalization. The process by which an organization is structurally divided by combining work in departments based on certain characteristics or basic shares. Coordinating different activities, accountability becomes less clear. Authority delegation. The activity of giving authority and responsibility to another person to carry out a task. The person who receives authority must be able to account for the task to the person who gave it. Control range. The numbers of subordinates a manager or supervisor can control effectively at one time. Span of control is also known as span of control. Span of control is an important consideration in designing organizational structures and can impact team productivity and efficiency. The optimal span of control is generally based on the experience level of the people being managed. The of organizational design. Simple structure model. The most basic operating system of centralizing business activities. This structure is also known as a flat structure, which has the following characteristics: little departmentalization, wide span of control, authority centralized in one person, little formalization, does not have many layers of management or formal departments. Bureaucracy model. An organization system that formal, impersonal and organized characteristics. Weber's bureaucratic model states that bureaucratic organizations have evolved from traditional structures due to various changes. Matrix structure model. A work structure model combines functional and divisional organizational structures, where employees report to more than one superior. This structure is suitable for large-scale and multinational companies that handle complex projects. Organizational design components. Organization itself. The process of combining the work that individuals or groups must perform with the talents necessary to carry out related tasks, providing the best channel for the efficient, systematic, positive, and coordinated use of available effort. Organization vision and mission. Vision. The big picture or ideals of the organization in the future. The vision functions as a general guide that directs the goals and aspirations of the organization. Mission. These are important points about what must be done to achieve these goals. Missions are external, market and customer focused, and specific to a particular business. Organizational value and belief. Fundamental principles and beliefs that guide an organization in making decisions in managing behavior. Organizational values can also help define an organization's identity, create a sense of purpose, and shape a company's culture. Organizational purpose and strategies - plans and approaches taken to achieve the organization's main goals. Clear organizational goals can help team members contribute to business success, while organizational strategy steps - determine the mission, identify goals, determine targets, make a work plan, determine strategic position, develop a strategic plan, execute and manage the plan. Organizational development and change. Organizational development - improvement organization functions. Main apparat - developing organizational culture that maximizing individual interaction in decision-making. Purpose of organizational development. Enhance employees' trust and support, increase employee motivation, increase employee engagement, facilitate better communication, create opportunities for personal and professional growth. Role authority based on skill and knowledge. Organizational development based on skills and knowledge aims to improve employee and company performance. Increase enthusiasm. Organizational development (OD) aims to increase employee morale, one of which is by increasing their motivation. Creating organizational problem confrontation. Conflict in organizations cannot be avoided, but it can be managed well. Conflicts that are not handled well can cause divisions and hinder the progress of the organization. Enhance opens to communication. Check if this right time and place to communicate with the person. Finding synergetic solutions. Empower collaborations and communications between team members to build something extraordinary together. Increase responsibility. Stop the habit of complaining and complaining about something. Characteristic of organizational development. Well-planned strategy - clear development purpose. Collaboration of various parties. Enhance new way to maximizing performance. Humanistic value - individual development importance. Commitment - interaction and interdependence. Reasons of why organization change. Uncertainty and change need have to be seen as a challenge to be more effective. Organization need to change to being alive. People tend to be more comfortable in stable situation, comfort zone. Stages of organization development and change. ODC. Competitive change framework. Diagnosed, stimulated changing program. Changing implementation and interpretation. Clarifying problems. Determine relevant perspective. Choosing executors. Giving new changing program to organization. Organization culture. Way of thinking, actions reactions based on certain pattern in organization Tosi et al. Shared perception that everyone believe in organization Robbins. Basic pattern accepted by organization in order to act and solve problems, form employees to adapt with environment, and integrate all organization members, shine. Characteristic of organization culture. Aggressive ends. Attention to details. People team and result orientation. Stability. Innovation and risk-taking. Organization culture source, external broader general influence, society value influence. Organizational culture functions, clarify differentiation between others, identity for members, social glue, creating purpose and control for organization. Organizational culture. Purpose role definer for other organizations. A sense of belonging for members. Prioritize shared goals. Maintain organization stability. The effect of organizational culture to employees' performance. Feel needed and respected by organization. Clear understanding about organization expectations. Knowing their skill and ability. Work culture. Dimensions. Integrity and professionalism. Leadership and exemplary. Togetherness and group dynamics. Accuracy and speed. Rationally and emotional intelligence. Purpose. Enhance togetherness. Open communication. Enhance work performance. Responsibility to change and development.